Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old who makes 100K a month. Let's get it. I woke up at 11 a.m. today, and not gonna lie, I've been scrolling on TikTok for the past hour. And to be real, like a week or two ago, I was waking up at like 7, 8 a.m. naturally. Let's just say my apartment has a PS4 and NBA 2K and Madden 25 now, so I might have stayed up later than my bedtime, probably till like 1:30 a.m.-ish, playing Madden and playing 2K with my business partner slash roommate. So might have to put a stop to that. We are waking up way later than we should be, which is throwing off my entire schedule. Not the greatest start to the day. You live and you learn, you make mistakes, and you just continue growing. I don't ever see like a mistake from my part as a regret. It's just always something I learned from and always something that I keep getting better at. So yeah, let's start off this late ass Tuesday on the right track. Let's go.
She sent me a text, don't answer her call. She love when I flex and shop in her mall. Relieving her stress, I beat down her walls. She skied on her chest, she kissing my balls. She speedy in that bit.
Okay, just wrapped up my exec meeting with my business partners. A couple hard conversations, making sure everybody steps up to the plate with what we need to do to make sure we're all on the same page. But got it done, everybody's good, we're all on the same page, and we're taking the shit to the next level. In 30 minutes, I have a meeting, we call it our level 10 meeting. If you read the book Traction, it's basically how you get all your team leaders in all your different branches to be all on the same page. So example, right now in our level 10 meetings, it's obviously me and my two other business partners. We have my head of sales director, our head of sales operation manager, our DM closer manager, and then finally our support guy handling all the support tickets. If we're all in unison and we all know exactly what's going on and we know how to best help each other and grow together, that's the next thing I have to do in 30 minutes. But until then, my closers, if you've watched my past couple YouTube videos, that's the big thing I'm focusing on right now is like our big constraint. If you don't know the theory of constraints, by the way, it's a business will grow until it's limited because there is a constraint holding it back. And until that constraint is solved, nothing else is gonna fix it. The company will stay at a plateau. And so quite frankly, we've been at a plateau for the past 2 months. And the big constraint, the way to find it is just ask yourself, like, can you double your ad spend? If you can, do it. And if you can't, then ask yourself, why can't you? So right now we have about a 1.7x return on ad spend right now in the month of November, which is trash. It's still positive. We're not losing money on ads, but it's not scalable. And so we have our low ticket dollar trial 29 a month offer doing well. We have our mid ticket 697 offer that our DM closers are closing, also doing well. But the big thing is our high ticket closers aren't closing. They can't close. And so I took it upon myself to take complete ownership and take complete responsibility to find the problem. Like, why aren't we closing? Is it a lead quality issue? Is it a management issue? Is it a sales process issue? And so when I actually looked at the recordings, there's a reason we're not closing. There's a lot of mistakes we're making. Honestly, the sales process we have right now is flawed. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm not putting my sales director or a sales skills guy, I'm not putting them under the bus because they're good and they've been managing the team well and keeping the team together and hiring and doing extremely well. So they're doing good. But when there's a problem that hasn't been solved in 2 months, like, someone's got to fix it. I always tell myself, nobody's coming to save me. There's not some magic person that's gonna fix the problem. Like, if there's a problem, I have to fucking fix it myself. So I'm taking complete ownership of my company, complete responsibility to make it work. And so when I look at the recordings, the sales process is flawed. There's a previous framework that one of our other skill directors taught my closers. So right now I'm making my own SOP, standard of operation, on how we should be closing. Gonna give the exact script, the exact framework to my team, film a Loom video later tonight. And then once I film that Loom video, send it to my closers, make sure they learn, make sure they practice, we'll be role playing. And then once they master it, we'll be scaling to the moon because we'll be closing way better. If you see my videos in 2023, right, I was closing $6,000 deals every single day on the phone. Every day, new sales video, another $6,000 deal, right? So if I could do that, there's no reason why I can't teach my team to do the same thing. So that's what I'll be working on right now. I have like 24 minutes to spare before my next meeting.
I'm excited. It's the first official help to optimize everything a lot more functionally.
Wrapped up that level 10 meeting. That actually went a lot better and a lot more efficiently than I thought. I usually hate meetings, honestly. I'd rather just like get things done through text, but there's a lot of things that open my eyes in that meeting when all the leaders from all the different branches come together and figure shit out. So figured a lot of big needle movers or a lot of big breakthroughs for the sales team that we'll be implementing. A lot of mistakes I didn't even know my DM closers selling my $697 offer were making that we got fixed as well. Pretty productive, honestly pretty happy with the meeting. So definitely looking forward to those every week moving forward.
Like the form?
Nice.
Yeah, if you don't go with me, don't do what I do. Think you the one, but he really the two. Better get low when I hear that you cool. I'm sending the cleaners through. I'm belling out sober, they thinking it's over.
Just got back from dinner. Now your boy has to film the new sales script slash framework that I'm gonna be teaching my closers. So obviously I can't hop on a call with them right now and teach them everything. So I'm gonna film a Loom video. And so I'm just gonna break down the whole sales process for them. This shit's probably gonna take an hour and a half to 2 hours to fully film everything and explain everything. I usually just wanna go to bed by now and just go to sleep and chill and watch TikTok. There's a lot of shit you don't wanna do. There's a lot of shit that is gonna be painful. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be boring. Voice in your head is gonna tell you, you could do it later, you could do it tomorrow, you could do it next week, you could push it off, it doesn't matter. Like, you could always wait. To get to the next level and to reach the goals you're looking for, you're gonna have to tell that voice to shut the fuck up and do it anyway. So right now I don't wanna do this. I really just want to chill, but I know if I wanna take this company to $1 million a month and beyond, like, this is what's required. And like, I always tell myself, like, I will do whatever the fuck is required. Let's get this started. Let's go. Okay, I am dead as fuck, but we got it done. 2 hours later, are you studying or working? Filmed a whole ass 2-hour video, but I'm happy I got it done. I'm happy even when I told myself I'm tired, I don't want to do it, I could do it tomorrow, I fucking did it anyway. Like I said earlier, there's a voice in your head that's gonna stop you from doing what you need to do. That's gonna stop you from reaching your goals. And if you listen to it, you're letting yourself down, you're letting your future and you're letting your goals down. I think that's super high leverage. So now that I made a video, I could show that video to future closers, and I could show that video to teach future hires. 2 hours of my time has now led to infinite returns. Now my energy, my voice, my teachings is all in computer bits in a video. Probably just gonna post my YouTube video for the day, which is yesterday when you're seeing this, and then chill and get to sleep. Okay, about to head off to bed. Your boy's dead. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.